What is up, guys? Johnny Fridge here. Today we are playing Apocalypse Rising. This is also another Roblox video. And this is also going premiered. Like I said, a lot of my videos are gonna go premiered. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And yeah, I'll bring this over here. Okay, the map is loading. Oh man, reconnect. I gotta reconnect it. Sorry guys, it's not working. We'll play something else. We are gonna play some, I know, Airplane. We'll do Airplane 2. Or actually no, I did an Airplane 2 video the last time. Now we're gonna do Airplane 1. Or wait, hold on, I gotta go back all the way up. We're gonna do some Airplane 1. I did Airplane 2. No, I don't. My God, it took me to my friends. I don't want to go with my friends right now. I want to play a game. This time we do Airplane 1. Because we did Airplane 2 last time. When I made a Roblox video. But I did make some others, but talking about with Airplane is the one I haven't played in so long, or made a video for. And I think it was before, after COVID happened. I'm not sure, cause I was back in the 6th grade when I recorded. Okay, so we're gonna choose you know what? We'll go in here. Ooh-wee! I'm girl trapped, guys. By the way, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And these two are boy trapped. Here we go. We're getting on the plane. We are getting on the plane, people. Okay, so B8 V-A-B-A-B be the B. Oh wait, it's all the way over here. B8, here we go. I am a passenger. They don't know what they're talking about. Abort flight. Huh. They don't know what they're talking about. Nope. There was music. I don't know what happened in the music. When I played Airplane 2, there was music. But now there's not. I did check them both last time I played Airplane. Field to explore. Nah, man, I'm chilling before this plane takes off. Before the plane takes off, people. Oh man. Now please find your seat. We're about to cross an area. That's right, people, get in your seats, cause we're about to take off. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Huh. So now we're in the air. Thank you. No problem, amigo. Okay. This is the hard part. I ain't gonna eat my sandwich. Yeah, don't eat. One of us is allergic. Everybody, one of us is allergic to sandwiches. So nobody eat. Okay? Uh-oh. It's him. I'm not feeling... Okay. So it's him and not us. That's good. Okay, we need to find... He's allergic to mayo. We gotta find... Lady, what did you put in that? Why'd you put mayo in a sandwich? Open. There's nothing in here. Oh. Hey, there's mine. There's my bag. I have a green bag. Because green my favorite color because I like Mountain Dew. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that was a close call. Yeah, darn right, sir. You're darn right. Huh. Okay. Woo-wee! I do love that girl. Okay, there's music here, but it wasn't playing music during daytime, which seems weird. That doesn't make any sense. Oh, wait, hold on. This is where it's gonna get really scary. I'm getting up. Power went out. The power went out, everybody. But there's someone. Oh, there he is. There he is, guys. He is right there, guys. We are in serious trouble. We are in serious trouble. You will not survive. We won't survive. Oh wait, snakes. Forgot the snakes. Yeah, you better stand up, because those snakes are going to bite you, and they're poison. They could be poison, we don't know that. Come on, stand. Oh, no, I don't want to get bit. I don't want to get bit by a snake. Stand up, Frankie. I'm not trying to die here today. Is it open? Where? Oh crap, it's on the other side. It's on the other side. Here we go. Oh my god. Okay. So we just survived the snakes. Because we're not trying to die here. No, sir. More stuff is about to happen, so we better be prepared and try not to die. I didn't even eat my sandwich at all. So yeah, it's been a while since I played Airplane. Oh no. Yeah, they better not be doing it. Yep, the power's back up. But more stuff is about to happen. I think we have to find an oxygen thing or whatever. Yeah, he was gone. Your attention passengers. The bad news is we're running out of oxygen. This is gonna be the hard part. Finding an oxygen. The bad news is... Yeah, I know. We're gonna find an oxygen mask. Right here. Okay, we're wearing it. We gotta make sure. I ain't trying to die here. Someone died. I mean, that's what I hate. Not finding a mask. Oh, guys, no, I do not have a black jet. I think the power just went out again. Or, I don't know what happened. Oh no. A bomb. Oh yeah, I forgot. There was a bomb in here. Oh, here's the code. 6766. 6766. Six, 7, 6, 6. Or no, wait, I think it's for that. Okay, now what? We will cut the blue. I will cut the blue cable. Give me those. Oh, I cut the blue cable. Great. Yeah, it was a close call. Now there's gonna be more stuff going on. Oh yeah, I'm friends with this dude. We haven't heard the crew. Yeah, that is weird. I found them. Go to the captain's room. I know the code. I know the code. 6766. Okay, they found it. Oh no. The creature. Not this guy. What do we do? We don't know you. We're trying to live our life. And why did you bring us here? Guys, if this doesn't match with, if the video doesn't match with the audio, I'm just gonna get another recording app. Now it's time for you to die, MF. He's gone. We gotta help the captain. Like, now. Okay. God, I hate this part. Okay, we gotta stop the plane from falling. Yeah. I think I'm gonna get a different app. Oh man. Oh my god. Yes, we did it. They don't even tell us where we're going. Yeah, we gotta find the emergency phone. I think, yeah, it's on the other side of the plane. We need to call for help. It's been a crazy flight. It's been a crazy flight, everybody. What I was saying, guys, is I don't wear a black jacket. And my hair is not like that. I try to make it like that, but I can't. It's not that easy. Oh, guys, and I was watching one of my videos, and me talking, the sound was off. I don't know what happened. I'm gonna have to recheck it later. Okay, somebody's sitting in the co-pilot. Here, I'm gonna stand right next to her. Oh god, not again. Oh, he's right behind me. What does he want now? What do you mean by that? No, man. Please, save the plane. Lavender, you made a good choice. Yeah, it's gone. Wait. He will return. Yeah, who cares? Let's get back home. I'm done. Yeah, let's get out of here. Well, guys, that is Airplane 1. If you guys enjoy this video, or hold on. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. I guess I'll be doing Airplane 2 again. I'll do them in an order whenever I have time. But yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you guys for watching.